Here are some of the coolest new hidden iOS 26 features. If you go to Settings, Battery, there is now a brand new section called Power Mode. Inside of it, you will see the new Adaptive Power Mode, which if you turn it on, it will help extend your battery life by making different performance adjustments in the background for you. There are a lot of new camera options. If you go to Settings, Camera, and scroll all the way down, you will see the brand new lens cleaning hints, which if you turn it on, it will tell you when the camera lens should be cleaned to improve image quality. Now again, inside of the camera app, there is a brand new indicator section with controls such as flash, live photo, and action mode. If you turn all of these on, they will now appear on the top right of the camera app for quick control, so that you don't have to swipe up and search for these controls every time. My personal favorite is the brand new head tracking feature. If you go to Settings, Accessibility, you will now see the brand new head tracking section. Inside of it, you can perform different kinds of actions for facial expressions. For example, for raising your eyebrows, we can put to open the camera app. Now every time you open your mouth, it will go to the app switcher. You can even smile to take a screenshot, or open your mouth to open the camera app. Quite cool, right? Like and subscribe for more iPhone tricks like these.